Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be just doing a very simple makeup look. Some products might save you some time, like this Multitasker Wake Me Up Concealer and Foundation in One by Rimmel. And I'm just giving that a bit of a shake, and it's got like a little roller ball applicator. So I'm just going to be putting that, what is this on my forehead? No idea what it is. I keep picking it and picking it and picking it, and I don't even know if it's a pimple or whatnot, but I decided not to play around with it too much because I don't know, I just want it to heal on its own. So time will tell, right? I have a damp beauty sponge here on hand. I'm just going to pat that concealer foundation into the skin. And definitely working it up towards under the eyes because that is what it's for. But this is just a lovely one and done product. And making sure just to take that up into the inner corners of the eye as well. So we're going to do eyebrows. I'm using my one and done favorite Milk Kush Fiber Brow Gel. It is just the one that I just use the most, in all honesty. But I haven't used it in a while, so I'm sorry, but it's being used today. Using it today because I don't want it to dry out. I do need to film a declutter video. I have been basically thinking non-stop about all the makeup that I have coming up in my drawers, and yeah, it just needs to be cleaned up. It needs to be decluttered, or not even decluttered, just needs to be sorted out. And if there's something that is old, I'm just going to chuck it out because there's no point in keeping it. If I haven't used it in a long time, and I don't know what the definition of a long time is at the moment, over a year, over 2 years, who knows, over 6 months, I really don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But yeah, it needs to be done. It needs to be done. Next we're going in with blush. I'm using a cream blush. This one is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand in the shade Pillow Talk. And surprisingly, you know, this is one that I actually really do love. And I feel like it would be a great colour for people with an olive undertone complexion. Putting a bit on the nose as well. You know, I didn't even squeeze any product out. I just used whatever was on the sponge applicator tip. And now the damp beauty sponge will blend that out. And I have pretty much been looking for my Laura Mercier Blush Infusion blush. I've totally lost it in the shade Fresco. Been looking around and around and around and around for it, and I just don't know where I've put it. I have no idea where it's placed. I don't know what the hell. I mean, I could probably watch the last video that I did. Maybe I used it then. But then where did I put it? Where did I stuff it? I must have put it somewhere. It's just nowhere to be found. Anyway, while we're here, we're going to just line the lips. I am going to do the eyes, but I want to do the lips first, lining it with my one and only 8-hour Comfort Matte Lip Liner by Essence. What shade is this one? The Perfect Shade. I did buy another one. I cannot seem to find it. It's chestnut something. And I'm pulling out a very, very old product that I've had. It's not that crazy old, but it's the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in Very Victoria. It's like a beautiful brown. Too Faced liquid eyeliner pen. This one's the Better Than Sex. Gonna create a feline flick. Very close to the lashes. Taking that from the inner corner of the eye. I'm just going to continue and do the other eye before I do the flick. And I work with my eye looking down into a mirror, open. I'm leaning down on my desk and I'm doing the wing. Make sure it dries before you open up your eyes. You can clean up any little mistakes later, but if you feel like it looks okay, just go ahead and leave it. Yeah, I'm thinking that it's looking so far so good. Mascara time. I'm using the Mecca Max tubing mascara. Is it the tubing mascara? I think it is. It's the Wink Ink Super Mascara. Take your time doing your eyelashes. Obviously this video is going to be edited so that you will see that it only took me like not even 1 minute to apply, and really it took me about 10 minutes, maybe. Applied mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I'm back. I'm going to just finish it off with a little bit of highlighter drops. This one here is by Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood Flawless Filter. And that is the end of the makeup tutorial. Just a really quick get out the door makeup look to look a little bit polished, just to look a little bit more awake. So very easy to do. Honestly, dampen a beauty sponge, get out a one and done concealer foundation. Everything else is pretty much just an add-on. Even if you wanted to skip the concealer and foundation, definitely do so. Eyebrows, blush, little bit of lipstick, mascara, out the door. Okay guys, well thank you so much for watching this little get ready with me. I hope you enjoy your day or night wherever you are. I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now. Okay, the whole point of this whole video was just to test the green screen that I have wanted to try out. So the whole point of this real video was, I didn't even really want to put makeup on, but I just want to test this green screen out, and we're going to do a makeup look anyway, so let's get into it.